Good morning, students. Welcome back to 10th class English. The name of the prose is Air Pollution, a Hidden Meaning. We have already gone through the text. Today we shall do the post reading activities. So now let's move to the page. Let's go beyond the text, that is questions. What what does the oxygen level how does the oxygen level in the atmosphere get reduced? What could be its consequences? Yes, air is a mixture of some gases, and those gases are in a certain proportion. If that proportion is disturbed, the oxygen level in the atmosphere will get reduced and cause fatal respiratory illness. Next, question number 2. How do the chemical industries cause dangerous air pollution? What is its far-reaching consequences? Far-reaching consequences means sudura prasari parinama. So you know thermal power stations discharge high amount of smoke and ash. Industries such as cement, steel and ore processing. You know ore processing, ore means dhatu. Ore processing industry release toxic gases and those toxic gases makes air polluter. Make the air polluter. Next, how? Question number: how is acid rain caused? Burning of fossil fuels jivasma for heat and power is the major factor in the generation of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, which are convertible रूपांतर योग्य into nitric and sulfur acid washed down in the air. So these particles, these smog are floating in the air. When it rains, those particles falls down with the rain, and that is called acid rain. How does polluted air travel from one country to another? Polluted air travels from one country to another, carried by the wind, spreading thousands of miles. Question number 5. What steps can be taken to reduce the pollution caused by automobiles? ଯାନବାହନ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଘଟୁଥିବା ପ୍ରଦୂଷଣ ହାରକୁ କିପରି ହ୍ରାସ କରାଯାଇପାରିବ? ରିଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ means ହ୍ରାସ କରାଯାଇପାରିବ. To reduce the pollution caused by automobiles, new cars can be designed with the devices such as the catalytic converters, which will trap the pollutants before they are released into the atmosphere. Next, again, this is, yes, air pollution is a global problem. Is air pollution a global problem? जागतिक समस्या? Yes, air pollution is a global problem. Now let's move to the next. Yes, given below is a table. Read the table. Read the text and complete the table. Caused by impact on प्रभाव, nature of damage, प्रकृति क्षतिर प्रकार. तेबे आमे let's see the industry caused by industries impact on air, nature of damage, lungs disorder. Next one is thermal power station, impact on air, smoke and ash in air. Automobiles, atmosphere, impact on atmosphere, and carbon monoxide, right? Atmosphere and carbon monoxide. Similarly, acid rain impact on soil and washes away upper layer nutrients. And last one is chlorofluorocarbons atmosphere, destroying atmosphere layer. Now let's move, let's think together. No, let's do this one. Yes, let's debate. No, this is also not this. Yes, this one. G. Let's enrich our vocabulary. Our vocabulary शब्द पुंज. तो देखिए, there are some words, phrases in the text used to convey the harmful effect of air pollution on mankind. A few examples are given. Deadly, irritating gases. So this is a word and this is a phrase. So pick out the other such words, expressions from the text and write in your copy. The word respiration is the noun form of the verb respire. Now with the help of the dictionary, find out the verb noun forms of the following. Resident, its noun form, verb reside. Pollution its verb form is pollute. Composition its verb form is composed. Similarly, consume its noun form is consumption. Alter its noun form is alteration. Just 1 minute. Belief its noun form is belief. F. So alteration, belief. Next one is in the page. This is the page. Just 1 minute. Yes. Inhalation its verb form is inhalation its verb form is so its inhalation its verb form is inhalate, emission emit, comparison that is compare. Next one is knowledge know, recovery that is recover, destruction destroy. Next contamination contaminate, precipitation precipitate. Next deterioration deteriorate, reduce reduction, produce production, operate its noun form is operation, accept expectation, represent noun form representation, radiate radiation, illustrate illustration, justify justification, prevent prevention. So arrange the next the words provided under noun and verb in the order in which they should come in a dictionary. You will do it yourself. Now let's move to the next learning point, that is mark the following sentences used in the text. Days irritating gases enter the atmosphere. Every day, every moment we breathe polluted air to become a victim of air pollution. The words underlined above are जो रेखांकित पद गुड़िक known as particle adjectives, से गुड़ा को particle adjective कहा जाए. Here irritating is the present participle adjective and polluted is the past participle adjective in the above sentence. Find out in the text how many such participles are there and make a list. Yes, we will do it. So one is that is present participle and a past participle. So present participle, let's see what are there. Just 1 minute. So we will do the list later. Next, complete the following sentences with the appropriate participle of the verbs given in the bracket. The beggar is wearing a torn shirt. This is torn shirt. This is past participle. My father bought me a swimming suit. This is present participle, swimming. My friend wanted a cleaning instrument. This is the present participle. I never like to take a boiled egg, past participle. Now let's see what are they. Yes, air pollution causes breathing problem, present participle, breathing. People get diseased in a day's atmosphere, polluted, past participle. Air pollution has damaging effect on the buildings, present participle. Severity of air pollution is more found in days country, developed countries. So developed countries, it is a past participle. Next, let's see. Yes, arrange the words provided under noun and a verb in the order in which they should come in. No, it's already done. Yes, given below are some expression, use a single word for each expression. Go to the text to find the words. Okay. A great treat, that is menag bipati, getting rose day by day, deteriorate. Next, things used to make something, that is ingredient, a body of laws, legislation, one who studies weather condition, meteorologist. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Punctuate the following text. Punctuation में comma, full stop, we shall give. So we shall give here what so in United States, the here is comma, just 1 minute. Comma, in United States, control of air pollution is chiefly the responsibility of the state and local governments. Right here, full stop. Yes. Next, all these, it will A, capital letter A. Yes, all the states have air quality management programs which are patterned after federal laws. Yes, after federal laws, here full stop. Then next one is the basic, T capital letter, the basic federal law dealing with the air pollution is the Clean Air Act of 1970, amended in 1990, comma, under the law, the Federal Environment Protection Agency sets standards for air quality, that is air quality, comma, what are the standards? So what are the WHO word? Air quality, this is full stop, not a comma, this is full stop. Yes, capital letter W. What are the standards? Last one is a question mark. And that is the end of the lesson. Air pollution, a hidden menace. We shall discuss the other projects in our, let's prepare a project in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.